As the crypto market is slowly making a little bit of a recovery and Bitcoin's able to hold over 98,000, let me tell you, the sentiments are definitely turning green. This is your perfect opportunity to buy into a token that's going to be making you good profit. Well, let me introduce you to Pepe Ascension. This token is very interesting. You guys know that Pepe meme coin has done some crazy numbers. Well, this token is going to be allowing for a Pepe now has its own blockchain. Step into the golden era of memes where adventurer Pepe has unearthed the ultimate treasure, a layer 2 blockchain or layer 2 on Ethereum with super low fees. Fast transactions makes this a serious player. This is in a pre-sale stage right now. They have raised about $650,000, so you can tell that's actually very early into this project. Even if it just makes it a couple of millions, you can still get 5 to 10x your money. And at the same time, it is on the Ethereum network, but it will be having its own network. Pepe PumPad, create your own meme coin in just 2 clicks. Now that is going to be the game changer, and that's where all of this is going to be happening. What I'm trying to say is Pepe is a big meme. Having its own blockchain is already a big deal, and after that, having a platform which will allow people to create memes or meme coins on this blockchain, obviously that will unlock a lot of potential. Faster transactions, bigger rewards, all classic Pepe charm, seamless connection between Ethereum and Pepe chain, minimal transaction costs, increased throughput 100 times quicker than Ethereum. If you do decide to purchase it, you can actually go ahead and stake it away for 40% return per annum. It's very simple. You just need to use the money that you guys have just bought into the Pepe Ascension, and then you guys will be able to use the Pepe Ascension and just go ahead and stake it away, and you guys will be receiving 40% return. The tokenomics look like this, with 47.5% for project development, staking is about 30%, marketing 10%, liquidity 7.5%, and team 5%. The Twitter has a pretty decent amount of following with about 11,000 followers, and their tweets actually getting a decent amount of attention as well. Close to 24,000 views on their initial post that the pre-sale is going live. Their audit has been completed. Now the audit has received no problems at all. As you guys can see, everything is perfect, and the audit was contracted and audited. At the same time, the Telegram has about 3,600 followers, and that's pretty much. And let me tell you one crazy thing. On Texas Times US, this is a newspaper, they did actually cover Pepe Ascension set to go live on Ethereum Layer 2 as new meme coin to watch. There is a lot of different places which are starting to recommend this token to their platform, and that should give you perspective how much name they're actually making for themselves as they're able to get these big players on board and actually allow them to actually talk about this token. The community is highly active right now, and the tokenomics actually look pretty good. At the end of the day, this is, just remember, it is a meme coin, so make sure you guys do your own research. Their DEX listing, so trade your token on our lightning fast DEX, no delay, just straight, with Pepe's secure bridge moving between chain and smoother than a frog, staking, dev guarantee, and more to come. And if you keep scrolling, you guys will realize what is their overall idea. I mean, this is the PumPad that I was talking about. 2 clicks launch. Got a dream of a meme coin? You will be able to do it very quickly. Just pretty much similar to PumPFUN to give you a little bit of an idea. So this is pretty much PumPad, which is from Pepe. Anti-rug security, Pump for profit, and PumPFUN but on Ethereum. So it's pretty much the same concept that we have on Solana, but this one will be obviously on Ethereum. The best thing is, if you do decide to purchase it during the pre-sale, obviously you're going to be much earlier as compared to the people who are going to be buying later, and considering the fact that it's only raised about 600,000, there's so much potential to go forward. If you do want to purchase this token, it's very simple. Just make your way to the link in the description. It will bring you to this website. Then you just need to click on connect wallet, whatever wallet you guys use, MetaMask or whatever, connect it, then just select how much Ethereum you would like to convert into Pepe Ascension, and then you guys will be able to purchase it. Don't forget, when I mention this, do not forget to stake it away, so as you're waiting for the pre-sale to come to an end, you're still making a little bit of profit. Another thing that's extremely important for you to understand is make sure you guys do your own research. This is not financial advice, and this is just my opinion. I personally do see a good potential in terms of what is to come for this token, but it's your money. Make your own decision. The link will be in the description. Thank you for watching. Don't forget about the cashback as well. If you guys have a friend that might be interested in Pepe Ascension, you guys can just go ahead and copy this and you can get the friend to purchase, and you guys actually get a little bit of a referral, code, and then you will be able to use that to get a little bit more Pepe Ascension. Other than that, thank you for watching. I hope you have a great day and I'll see you soon.